This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Maseches Peah, Perek Vav, Mishna Gimel. There are two teachings in this Mishnah, and the first teaching is actually only explained in the next Mishnah, but we'll explain it over here based on what we'll learn later. So the Mishnah says, Rashi Shureis Ha'omer Shekenegdei Mechiach. So what this is referring to, for example, is if a person has 10 rows of 10 bundles. So if you picture it, we have 100 bundles, 10 rows of 10. And so now if the person started collecting the bundles, let's imagine from the top left, and the person collects in that row from top to bottom 9 bundles, and then the person moves over to the next row, again from the top to the bottom, and they start collecting. So what we say is that final bundle in that first row, all the way in the bottom left, is not considered shechacha. And the reason is because it's also part of the bottom row, which goes from left to right. So it's not considered shichacha because we're saying that the person is going to wait when he collects the rows in the direction from left to right instead of top to bottom and collect it there. And so therefore it's not shichacha. The Mishnah continues and presents another teaching. If a person took hold of a bundle with the intention of bringing it to the city, and then afterwards the person brought it back to the field and forgot it. So the halacha is maidim she'enei shechacha. Over here, Beis Hill agree with Beis Shammai that it's not considered shechacha because once the person took hold of it to bring it to the city, it can no longer later become shechacha. The person clearly remembered it, and so shechacha can no longer apply to that bundle.